ready to launch your own custom product empire without lifting a finger for printing or shipping. Let's dive into how to connect Printful with your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. First things first, we need to head over to your Shopify admin once you're logged in. Locate and click on the App section in the left-hand menu. This is where we'll find the Printful app. Now, click on Customize Your Store or Shopify App Store on the App Store page. Type Printful into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see the official Printful app appear. Click on it to view its details. On the Printful app page, look for the prominent green button that says Add App. Click this button to initiate the installation process of Printful onto your Shopify store. A confirmation window will pop up, asking for your permission to connect Printful to your Shopify store. This grants Printful the necessary access to sync products and orders. Simply click Install App to proceed. Once installed, you'll be redirected to your Printful account. If you're new to Printful, you'll be prompted to create an account. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Printful profile. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. Now the magic happens. Within your Printful dashboard, you can start browsing their extensive catalog of customizable products from apparel to home decor. There's something for everyone. Choose a product you'd like to sell, click on it, and then you'll be able to upload your unique designs. Use Printful's intuitive tools to place your artwork, add text, and adjust positioning to create your perfect product. Once your design is finalized and you're happy with how it looks, click the Sync Product to Store or a similar button. This action will automatically list your custom design product on your Shopify store, ready for customers to purchase. And just like that, your custom product is live on your Shopify store. Printful will automatically handle all printing and shipping. Whenever a customer places an order, you can now focus on marketing your amazing designs and growing your business.